Westbay Retreat is located just north of the town of Augusta in the southwest of Western Australia. It's a caravan park that caters for every setup, from small tents right up to big motorhomes and fifth-wheelers. Of all the caravan parks we've ever stayed in, this is the one we love the most for its open layout and no cramped sites with people crowded next to each other that you find in so many other places these days. Here, at least out of peak season, you have room to spread out a bit and have the choice of setting up in open grass spaces or under shady trees. There are two sections to the park. As you drive in, you pass the permanent residence section, and as you continue, you'll see the shaded sites off to the left and the more open areas in front of you and to your right. At the far end of the park, there's a nice little beach and a boat ramp for those wanting to take out a dinghy and do some fishing or crabbing in the inlet. There are some powered sites, but not many, so most people camp using their solar systems or just use whatever battery power they have available for their lighting and fridges, etc. Much as we love the park, the last time we stayed there, a group of hoons partied all night long, and I do mean all night. They were extremely noisy and kept other people up. And as there was nobody in charge of the park and on site who could have settled them down, there was no way of getting the noise stopped. And sadly, due to that very unpleasant experience, we haven't been game to go back there again. I don't know if this has changed, and if now there's an on-site caretaker, but it would be something we regard as essential before we'd ever think about staying there again. Very sad, I know, because it's a very lovely caravan park. Probably the most interesting feature of the park is the ablution block, strangely enough. It's getting a little tired and old now and would benefit from a facelift, but it has to be the most unique and unusual ablution block we've ever seen in any caravan park anywhere in Australia. It probably isn't quite as enjoyable in the cold weather, as it's very spacious and the breezes do tend to whip through, making showering a little bit chilly. But in the warmer months, it has a terrific feel to it.